Hey everyone, Henry Goles from Cloudian here. I wanted to take a few minutes and demonstrate how Greenplum can leverage Cloudian Hyperstore for external S3 storage. So first things first, this demo environment has 3 nodes, a Greenplum master host and 2 segment hosts, and of course a Cloudian Hyperstore instance. Now I'm logging into the master host. I make sure I'm using the correct user, and I'm using gpadmin, which is the Greenplum administrator. And this user has the rights to create new databases, drop databases, and everything I'm going to need to do with Greenplum. In order for Greenplum to access Hyperstore, it's going to leverage the PXF plugin. So for this demo, I've already installed the plugin by following these instructions. Here I'm checking to make sure the PXF plugin is running, and I'm just pushing out any new changes that I've made to the configuration file to the segment hosts. Using CreateDB, we're creating a new database instance called Cloudian S3, and once that's done, we're going to go ahead and log into it. The next couple of steps are pretty important here. First, we're going to create the PXF extension. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and define an externally writable table. This table is going to point to a bucket we've created ahead of time on our Hyperstore cluster. To make things a little easier, the bucket name we're using here is called Greenplum, and we're pointing to the OBJ folder. Now that we have a writable table, we can insert values into it. The table we've created is very simple. It only has 3 data fields. It contains an order number, a name, and a t-shirt size. In Greenplum, in order to read data from an external table, we need to create another table reference. We're referring to the readable table with an R suffix and the writable table with a W suffix. Doing a simple query of the table, we can see the 4 values that were inserted. On the Cloudian side, using the Cloudian Management Console, we can take a look inside the Greenplum bucket. Here, we can see 4 objects were created. And when we open those objects, we can see the values that were inserted into the external table.